Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about predefined modules. So in the previous class I have discussed about user defined modules. Okay. So predefined modules are two types. One is math module and another one is random module. So in this particular video we are going to learn about math module. So in the next video I am going to discuss about random module. Okay. So first of all, module is nothing but collection of classes, variables and functions. Classes, variables and functions. So here module is nothing but collection of classes, variables and functions. So predefined module is nothing but it contains predefined classes, predefined variables and predefined functions. Okay, so math is one module. Math is one predefined module. So it contains predefined variables, predefined functions and predefined classes. Okay, so if you want to access the classes, variables or functions inside the math module, then first you need to import the math module. Okay, so the way is import math. So in this way you can import math module. Okay, so the next one. So if you import the math module, you can access all the variables, classes, functions inside the math module. Okay, so if you want to access the method, for example, math contain one predefined method that is nothing but square root. SQRT. So here math is a module. So if you want to access the math module function, then you need to use dot operator. Okay, square root of 16. Square root of 16. So let us execute this. So it will return 4.0. Okay, so 16 square root is 4.0. Okay, so square root is a function which is used to find the square root of a number. So this is predefined function in math module. So that's why first you need to import math module. Okay, so after that, one more variable math.pi. So here pi is a variable, predefined variable inside the math module. Let us execute. So here the pi value is 3.14 and so on. So this is the predefined variable inside the math module. Okay. So if you are not importing math, let us execute. So it will generate error. Okay. Name math is not defined. Okay. So import math. So you can rename math as whatever you want. Okay. But you need to follow variable rules. So I have already discussed the variable rules. Okay. So variable name does not contain any special characters. Okay. And should not start with the digit. Okay. Those are the variable rules. So I am renaming math as M. So you can put M instead of math. Okay. So here M dot square root and M dot pi. Okay, let us execute. So it will return 4.0 and 3.14 like this. Okay, so and some other functions the math module contain. Those are print M dot seal of 10.1. 10.1. Okay, so after that print M dot floor of 10.1, and after that some other functions are print ABS absolute value of -10. Okay, and one more value is print, one more function is FABS of 10.6 like this. So these are the different functions. Okay, so let us execute. So here also FABS. FABS minus 10.6 minus 10.6. So let us execute this. Yes. So this is the output. First, square root function is used to find the square root. So the square root is 10.0, and after that pi value is 3.14, and next seal value is upward value. Okay, so it will round upwards. Okay, so after that floor is used to round downwards, towards downwards. And next FABS, just wait a second. Yes. Okay, so here you need to use m dot. Yes, m dot seal and m dot. Yes, let us execute this. Yes, so here absolute value. Okay, float absolute value. So we are giving float absolute value. So 10.6. So it will return positive value, that is nothing but 10.6. And here we are giving positive value. So that's why it will return positive value. So absolute is nothing but it will convert into positive. Okay, it will convert negative numbers into positive numbers. Okay, so these are the different types of math functions. So here math is a module which contains predefined classes, predefined variables and predefined functions. Okay, so math module contain some more functions. Those are sine, cos, tan, sine inverse, okay, cos inverse, tan inverse. Those are the different types of methods you can use. Okay, so I hope it is clear. In the next class I will discuss about the random module functions. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. Thank you.